we are being tuned that way कि there are only two things, one is development and one is testing. एक इंसिडेंट एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है एप्लीकेशन सपोर्ट इंजीनियर या उसके पर्सनल के करियर में कि इट्स अ मेक और ब्रेक थिंग आल्सो, लाइक कुछ इंसिडेंट्स सेल्फ गोल भी होते हैं. अभी तक जो हमने डिस्कस किया उसमें हमने सिर्फ इश्यूज का ही डिस्कशन किया, बट सपोर्ट टीम एक ऐसी टीम होती है
हर दूसरे दिन कुछ ना कुछ नया आ रहा है एंड इफ यू आर नॉट अपडेटेड यू आर आउटडेटेड.
वो इशू नहीं है, वो वैल्यू ऐड कर रहे हैं. दैट पार्ट डजंट ब्रिंग इन द अदर एस्पेक्ट लाइक इमोशनल एस्पेक्ट,
राइट.
why it took so long. It would just represent in terms of summary, and the conclusion that you would draw from the summary might be different if you would draw it from the, if you want to troubleshoot, do not always correlate what the customer will never tell you the whole story. They will only tell you the problem. The only downside of support that I see, since you are supporting a customer facing production,
in terms of handling team and all, challenges किस तरह के आते हैं? If someone wants to enter into the support role, so what is one major skill that they need to be a support engineer? Let me start with a situation जो शायद आप सबने कभी ना कभी फेस की होगी. सपोजिंगली आप किसी इवेंट के लिए रजिस्टर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो वेबसाइट पे, एंड जब तक आप पेमेंट के पेज पे पहुंचे अचानक से वेबसाइट क्रैश कर गई या हैंग हो गई है एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग. आप रिफ्रेश ट्राई कर रहे हो, सब कुछ ट्राई कर रहे हो, बट नथिंग इज़ वर्किंग आउट. सो ऐसे टाइम पे एग्जैक्टली कौन है जो इस सिचुएशन को बैक टू नॉर्मल करेगा? आई मीन who is the person or who is the team that is responsible for bringing things back to normal and helping you actually buy that ticket which you are trying to do? It's not the sales team, it's not the marketing team of a company, neither the CEO or the CFO. It's actually the support team that is standing behind and working relentlessly to help resolve the issue. Welcome to the Tendra Kalsi show. So आज के हमारे जो गेस्ट हैं, he is from the application support team. He is leading the application support team for one of the organization, and he will help us understand कि जब इस तरह के situations होते हैं तो backend में किस तरह का chaos होता है कंपनी में, and how exactly the team handles that kind of a chaos. So without wasting any time, let's welcome our guest for today, who is Tarunjit Singh, and also my close friend, actually my college time friend. Hi Tarun.
हाँ तेजेंद्र.
Finally ले आया मैं. Okay, so he was not able to, I mean, come to the podcast earlier because of the personal commitments and all, but finally he has given his time. So once again thank you. कहाँ से शुरू करें? सीधा रोल पे चलना, बात करनी है, या कॉलेज डेज से, और समथिंग एल्स?
As for your
ओके, सो जब हम एप्लीकेशन सपोर्ट या सपोर्ट इन जनरल टर्म आता है तो पीपल हैव अ मिसकंसेप्शन, और जनरली क्या होता है कि लोग स्टार्ट रिलेटिंग इट टू अ प्रोफाइल लाइक कॉल सेंटर, हेल्प डेस्क एंड सो ऑन. एप्लीकेशन सपोर्ट और इन सब में क्या डिफरेंस है?
मैं आई थिंक इसका आंसर थोड़ा पीछे जाके दूंगा पहले.
ओके.
सो जब हम कॉलेज में होते हैं, स्पेशली इफ आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट आईटी, तो उस समय वी आर बीइंग ट्यून्ड दैट वे कि देयर आर ओनली टू थिंग्स, वन इज डेवलपमेंट एंड वन इज टेस्टिंग.
राइट, राइट,
I think
right,
you
right.
can relate this thing, right? And other things, the other tasks that are being done like database, networks, these are very minute tasks.
हाँ.
Anybody can do it. Like एक ऐसा माहौल बन जाता है,
प्रॉब्लम देता है.
right? अगर इसको हमें रिलेट करना हो रियल लाइफ से, तो बैक देन एक ऐसा माहौल होता था ना कि 10th के बाद अगर साइंस नहीं मिली तो कुछ नहीं मिला.
हाँ, वो
तो
मतलब वो कहते हैं रिश्तेदारों में बेइज्जती हो जाती थी. अच्छा क्या लिया है? पीसीएम? हाँ बढ़िया बढ़िया. कॉमर्स? अरे पढ़ता नहीं होगा सही से.
So when I landed a job, and the very first job is in Mumbai.
Okay.
So it was one of the organizations which would hire in bulk rather than hiring one or two people from the college. So they would hire in bulk, right? And everybody knows what organizations are, which organizations are hiring in bulk, right? So over there, I think you don't have the option to choose a stream. Okay, I want to be the part of the development team, I want to be the part of the testing team, or this is my area of interest, right? So you're not left with a choice. There's some things that you, okay, and that excitement, you take up the assignment, right? If I have to talk about myself, so it at that time उस समय तो ये होता था कि बस कोई हमें टीम में ले ले, बता रहे क्या काम करना है, वो
राइट
एक
राइट
जोश होता था,
राइट
ठीक है। स्लोली समझ में आया कि ये जो हम सोचते थे कि डेवलपमेंट टेस्टिंग, इनके अलावा भी बहुत
बहुत
काम
कुछ है
होते हैं, right, in the organization, and there is a dedicated team that is responsible for doing each and every aspect, right.
करेक्ट
फिर वो धीरे धीरे चीजें क्लैरिटी आई, बट दिस वाज समथिंग दैट आई डिड नॉट चूज, इट हैपेंड।
ओके एंड सिंस आपने वो मेंशन किया ना कि लाइक डेवलपमेंट और टेस्टिंग के अलावा भी बहुत सारे प्रोफाइल्स है एंड दैट वाज द थॉट जिसकी वजह से मैंने ये पॉडकास्ट का सीरीज शुरू किया बिकॉज जब मैंने वर्कशॉप्स वगैरह किए हैं ट्रेनिंग्स किए हैं एंड आई हैव बीन इंटरेक्टिंग विद सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स तो मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि कहीं ना कहीं ये एक जनरल परसेप्शन हो जाता है लोगों का कि अच्छा ये 2-4 स्ट्रीम्स ही हैं इंजीनियरिंग कर लो या डॉक्टर बन जाओ एंड सो ऑन एंड दैट इज़ हाउ प्रोफेशन इज परसीव्ड बट आई थॉट लेट मी ब्रिंग आउट द पॉडकास्ट इन सच अ वे कि लोगों को एक आइडिया समझ में आए कि बहुत सारे करियर ऑप्शंस हैं और हर करियर ऑप्शन में आप अकॉर्डिंगली ग्रो कर सकते हो दैट वाज व्हाट आई ट्राइड डूइंग इन ईच ऑफ द एपिसोड। मैं हर बार एक नया गेस्ट लाता हूँ ताकि वो अपना एक जर्नी भी शेयर करे और एक करियर का भी इंसाइट्स मिले लोगों को सो
I agree to this thing, but there are few things I would say which are still unanswered for me. For example, I think जो ऑडियंस देख रहे हैं वो रिलेट कर पाएंगे कि irrespective of the stream you choose, be it mechanical engineering, be it electrical engineering, be it computer or IT.
राइट
Computer IT are more or less same with
सेम
little bit. In the end, they all are sitting in a common placement interviews, common placement exam,
करेक्ट
and getting 80% or more than 90% of them getting recruited in IT companies,
राइट
even if they have mechanical
मैकेनिकल
engineers,
इंजीनियरिंग
right? So my point is that one should be either clear at that level that okay, I want to do mechanical engineering because I love playing with machines,
करेक्ट
right?
करेक्ट
So I will not sit into IT companies.
हाँ
I'll crack some other interview which is related to my field of study,
कोर
right?
कोर में
Probably work with organizations like refineries where like
राइट
chemical engineering if they have done. But I've seen chemical engineers working in IT.
हाँ
So
बहुत
that
सारे
has
देखे
been
हैं
the IT revolution in
करेक्ट
India.
करेक्ट
So I think sooner or like it has started happening, just like English is one subject which is being taught from nursery till 12th.
राइट
So IT subjects will be the part of every
एवरी
curriculum,
करिकुलम
and
सो
it has
ट्रू
started now,
सो ट्रू
I think.
दैट इज एक्चुअली सो ट्रू कि मतलब हमारा जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है इट हैज़ सम फ्लॉज आई मीन नॉट फ्लॉज लाइक इट कैन बी इवॉल्व्ड अकॉर्डिंगली एंड देन ऑब्वियसली सोसाइटी का जो अपना एक माइंडसेट है ना वो भी थोड़ा प्ले करता है रोल
There are other things also. We normally fell into a competition कि मेरे दोस्त के बेटे की प्लेसमेंट हो गई, तुम्हारी नहीं हुई.
तुम्हारी नहीं हुई
सो आई थिंक फिर वही वो एक सर्कल है कि
राइट
12th के बाद साइंस, 10th के बाद साइंस नहीं मिली, 12th के बाद इंजीनियरिंग में नहीं हुआ.
राइट
तो एक नॉर्म है. आई रिमेम्बर if I have to correlate again with my days of our like parents and my friends' parents, like back then, having graduation meant BA or BSc. That's it, and that was very prestigious,
करेक्ट
right? Now I think BTech is something that BTech or BE everybody.
अब तो बीटेक भी अपने आप में नहीं है मतलब बीटेक के बाद क्या
Right, right.
ओके दैट इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
Coming back to that part of support thing, so I think for me it happened that way only. When I landed the job, went to the place organization where I was placed, उस समय तो एक्साइटमेंट ही इतना होता है ना कि जर्नी नई शुरू हो रही है लाइफ में. तो जहाँ फिट हुए we working, I think that is the downside also. If somebody really wants to switch over to the area of interest, I think initial 1 or 2 years are the time frame where
हाँ
they
हाँ
can put that extra effort and get into the
करेक्ट
stream which they want, right? Or you get comfortable
जो
with
आप कर रहे हो
whatever
उसमें
is being served to you on the plate, you
करेक्ट
take it. And I feel that if everybody will start doing the other way, going for the, somebody will have to do those things na? Like support database activities
करेक्ट
and providing
एंड दैट इज एक्चुअली द बैकबोन तो कोई तो
yeah,
करेगा ना
yeah. And after being part of the support teams for so many years, I can say that I enjoy being part of support teams. There are downsides also, there are positives also, but I enjoy being part of the support teams.
एक सिंपल टर्म्स में डिफाइन करना हो लाइक जो हेल्प डेस्क है और सपोर्ट एप्लीकेशन सपोर्ट स्पेसिफिकली तो मेजर डिफरेंस कहाँ जाता है
I think level of competency,
Okay.
Help desk is more or less guiding the customer through the initial issues,
Okay.
right? For example, if I'm trying to book a demo with an organization, right, but I'm not sure how to go ahead. I'm not
Okay.
facing any technical issue, but it's just that I'm not well versed with the
हाँ,
website
steps
or
नहीं पता
something,
है.
right? How do I raise a complaint?
Hmm.
I'm not sure in which section I need to go.
Right.
Click contact us.
Correct.
In those cases, I'll probably my query would reach out to help desk. That's a simple. And help desk deals with a very basic, or I would say functional queries.
वो फर्स्ट लेवल इंटरेक्शन होता है
Yeah,
कस्टमर
you
से.
can even mention it as like support has three levels: L1, L2, and
L3.
L3. So help desk is something that I would say come below L1 also.
Right.
And L1 is something like password resets, making sure that the user is active, all those things. Let's say I'm calling in to say that, hey, I've not used my this app for 6 months. Now I'm not able to log in. Can you
Right.
help me out? I I'm not sure whether the user still exists or logged or something. So those types of queries are being handled by L1 because you have a standard procedure to check.
Correct.
Anyone who is trained enough can do that,
Can do that.
right? So and slowly the level increases.
हाँ,
So
डिपेंडिंग कि आपका इशूज एग्जैक्टली कितना
yeah,
टेक्निकल है. मान लो मैं कोई एप्लीकेशन यूज़ कर रहा हूँ एंड उस एप्लीकेशन के अंदर कुछ इश्यूज आ रहे हैं, क्रैश हो रहा है बार बार या कुछ ऐसा, देन आई हैव टू रीच आउट टू द L2 or L3 टीम.
normally in application support, L2 and L3 teams do not interact with the
हाँ,
customers
डायरेक्टली
directly.
नहीं होते.
They reach out to the help desk or the customer service agent,
Okay.
and if they are able to help them out, that's well and good. But if they are not able to help them out, they will reach out to the
L2 and
technical
L3.
teams, which are the support teams. So if I have to give you a scenario, like let's say I'm making a payment through one of the UPI apps which we use, and you as a customer are stuck between making a payment of 5,000 to somebody else.
Right.
The amount is debited from your account but not credited to
Credited
the
हो
other.
रहा है.
You will get panic,
Correct.
right? So and you will raise your voice or raise a complaint, and behind the scenes that particular complaint would go in through help desk and all those things. If help desk is able to help you out, well, fair
Okay.
enough. But sometimes they are not. They see that there is some technical issue or something like that. Then this is where the team comes in, and depending upon the level of investigation, the engagement goes in.
In your role, basically you specialize in things like इंसिडेंट मैनेजमेंट, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड चेंज मैनेजमेंट. तो ये तीन टर्म्स काफ़ी मतलब फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज होते हैं. सो इफ आई हैव टू डिफाइन दीज थ्री टर्म्स इन अ सिंपल वे फॉर द लिसनर्स, हाउ वुड बी डिफाइन?
Incident, if we have to classify an incident, it is any disruption in a service.
Okay.
Right. The example that I gave you, like 5,001 rupees, it might be specific to you only, right? If it is not impacting so many other users, right? Again, it's a very layman example, not necessarily. So it could be specific to your access rights, it could be specific to your daily limit, right? It could be related to some enforcements being applied by your bank. But let's say everyone is not able to make a payment,
Okay.
even a 10 rupee payment. So then it isn't, because it's a bigger chunk of users impacted with the same issue. And I think we had this, one of the social media apps crashed, and everybody was posting it on another social media app that this and this is not working. And in the end, it was some issue with the cloud service provider.
Correct.
So that was an incident.
That is an incident.
Okay. If I talked about, like, an incident management takes care of all the steps that help in recovery of that incident, right? So if I have to talk about an organization, like from a customer perspective, and a customer feedback is very important, right? So whenever an organization's website or the product goes into, they have an incident being raised for that, so the prime motive is to resolve the incident as soon as possible.
Right.
Again, incident management has different factors like time to resolve, mean time to resolve, right? Time to detect, how quickly we were able to detect that the system is facing an issue.
Exactly.
Right.
कहाँ issue है?
Whether it was a proactive detection or a reactive. Reactive is the one where customer reached out to us. Proactive was the one where we identified an issue and reached out to customer And I think the best example of this would be automotive industry.
हाँ
Many a times we do see articles in newspapers like that this and this ABC company has recalled this many cars
right
for a faulty piece replacement, right? Maybe a carburetor, because in their testing they have figured out, okay, this can create problems, so the cars that were manufactured during this batch will replace the part of free of cost.
एंड इट्स सच अ कोइंसिडेंस कि आपने जो ये अभी एग्जांपल दिया है कार रिकॉल्स वाला आई हैड एन एपिसोड ऑन द वीएपीटी प्रोफाइल दे आल्सो गिव द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द लाइक एसेट टैगिंग एंड ऑल कि एसेट्स कैसे टैग होना चाहिए क्यों होना चाहिए एंड दैट इज वेयर अगेन दिस एग्जांपल केम इन कि कंपनियां कार अपनी वापस रिकॉल कर पाती है आइडेंटिफाई कर पाती है कि कौन सा बैच के कार रिकॉल करनी है 1000 ही करनी है या 2000 करनी है बिकॉज दैट एसेट टैगिंग हैज बीन डन प्रॉपरली हाउ थिंग्स इंटर रिलेट कि आपका एक प्रोसेस कहीं हो रहा है उसकी वजह से एक फंक्शन अच्छा चल रहा है यहाँ से दूसरा प्रोसेस भी हुआ एंड अगेन इट्स इम्पैक्टिंग द ओवरऑल प्रोसेस
But this is what is an example of proactive, monitoring, where we have detected, right? And in case of reactive, it is the customers are creating a noise.
हाँ
Then we are getting to know, oh,
कुछ हुआ है
there's something, हाँ भाई कुछ चल नहीं रहा है,
राइट
कस्टमर नहीं रहा, कस्टमर गुस्से में,
हाँ
right? मतलब there's difference between both those things, right? Let's say I have an example जहाँ पे आपका बैंक आपको खुद फोन करके कह रहा है कि सर 2 दिन के लिए मनी ट्रांसफर मत करना, there is some issue,
हाँ
we are working on
एंड
it.
जनरली बैंक्स के आते हैं मेल्स
Right.
कि डाउन टाइम रहेगा
Down.
एंड ऑल
And there's another way where you are trying to transfer a big amount and you are landing into an issue. That is the reactive way, where banks, okay, let me check if there is an issue.
राइट
So I think proactiveness is very important.
तो प्रोएक्टिव अप्रोच को लाने के लिए कंपनियां क्या करती हैं लाइक प्रोसेस
They invest heavily in, obviously, people
Okay.
who monitor the systems regularly.
Okay.
They again have some monitoring tools to detect those issues, detect the risk, and this is where change management also comes in. System जो होता है बहुत vulnerable होता है for change.
राइट
तो होता है ना कि कोई चीज चल रही है तो उसे छेड़ो मत.
हाँ
But due to the consistent demand and needs, security, I think you would relate with
Right.
security patches
सिक्योरिटी
आते
है
हैं.
टेक्नोलॉजी एनहांसमेंट्स
So
हैं
there has to be some changes that go regularly. So the change goes again through a process.
हाँ
पहले lower region पे जाएगा, testing होगी, UAT पे user acceptance testing होगी,
Right.
फिर we'll have one round of BVT, build verification test, तब जाके production पे जाएगा. Production is a customer facing review. And
एक्चुअली इशू वहीं आते हैं
और actually शुद्ध नहीं है. तो so there is, and अगर वहाँ इशू आ गया, लेट्स से मैंने कोई चेंज करा जिसकी वजह से पूरे यूआई में छोटा सा इशू है, यूआई में स्पेलिंग ही गलत हो गई बैंक की,
राइट
बहुत इट्स इट्स अ वेरी हाई प्रायोरिटी इशू, क्योंकि मार्केटिंग
मार्केटिंग है
बैंक का नाम ही गलत है.
नाम ही गलत हो गया
अगर तो उस पॉइंट पे इट्स एन इंसिडेंट अगेन. सो चेंज मैनेजमेंट इज अगेन अ प्रोसेस टू मेक श्योर दैट we don't land up into an incident because of the change.
ओके
And that is why many changes are being done over the weekend to have the minimum impact.
मिनिमम इम्पैक्ट
But some products, some websites, some tools are the way, like they are used 24/7.
हाँ
Insta,
इंस्टा
Facebook,
व्हाट्सएप सब कुछ ऐसे ही है
everything. So these, and we are so dependent on these things.
सो मतलब लिसनर्स ऑडियंस जो है जनरल ऑडियंस उनको दे माइट नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द टेक्निकलिटी बिहाइंड दिस थिंग बट दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि कितना बैकएंड में प्रोसेस चल रहा है
हाँ, अगर वो चीज सही चल रही है तो there is a lot of things
हाँ
going in the
एंड
back end.
जनरली क्या होता है ना सपोर्ट टीम या फिर हमारी जैसे साइबर सिक्योरिटी में भी आप कहो तो सिक्योरिटी टीम ये वो टीम्स हैं जिनका नाम तब तक हाईलाइट नहीं होता जब तक चीज़ें स्मूथ चल रही हैं तब तक यही लगता है लोगों को क्या करते हैं कुछ तो नहीं करते सब कुछ तो ठीक है इट्स ओनली व्हेन थिंग्स फेल
You get to know.
अच्छा टीम काम कर रही है अब
I think perfect.
okay and then third term is problem management what exactly is that
No, because of the change and so many things, you land into problems, right?
Okay.
Which could be bugs,
okay
issues, known issues. So how do you manage that? So there are some issues like one customer out of 1 million would use that feature, but that has a bug. So I can wait rather than going and fixing that in a hurry and introducing a new bug. I can wait and provide a workaround to the customer. Look, if you land into this issue, you can do this way. We have to take a call. How do you want to proceed ahead with that particular bug fix? So problem management is all about managing those areas.
तो जनरली जब मतलब इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस किस तरह की मिस्टेक्स करती हैं उस इंसिडेंट को मैनेज करने में या हैंडल करने में?
I think ये जो word है mistake might not be the correct word.
ओके,
Every organization has a different policy. Some organizations are very customer centric,
राइट,
right? They will completely focus on resolving the issue as soon as possible.
करेक्ट,
Some organizations do not rely totally on customer because their customer base is not at that level, right? So I think it's a best fit approach, right?
ओके,
An organization adopts the best fit approach, which might be best for them but not best for some other organization,
ओके,
right? So it's not a mistake. I think as per the rule book, everyone is doing their best to have the maximum uptime.
सिंस व्हेन टॉकिंग अबाउट इंसिडेंट्स एंड ऑल, एंड समटाइम्स कुछ बड़े-बड़े इंसिडेंट्स भी होते हैं, ओके, एंड व्हेनेवर देयर इज एन इंसिडेंट देयर इज अ टर्म दैट इज लाइक ऑल द स्टेक होल्डर्स गैदर इनटू अ रूम एंड वी से दैट रूम एज अ वॉर रूम,
Or
ओके। तो कोई स्टोरी है वॉर रूम की जो शेयर करना चाहो?
आई थिंक वॉर रूम में सभी का गोल तो यही होता है कि जस्ट रिजॉल्व द इंसिडेंट, स्पेशली अगर वो वॉर रूम वीकेंड पे ओपन हो जाए या किसी
अरे फिर
फेस्टिवल पे
तो
ओपन.
वीकेंड पे, मिडनाइट पे, जैसे लेट आवर्स पे, फिर तो
And I think the most recent example was Diwali 2025, where we had a big outage from a service provider, cloud service
राइट,
provider.
फिर बड़ा,
But yeah, these things do happen. So, and every team that was on support or on call was engaged on over the bridge because the impact was that large. The application started going down and all the stuff.
ओके।
So, and that was well published.
हाँ, वो तो काफी हाईलाइट हुआ है, एंड जस्ट इमेजिन लाइक एक जगह से इशू हुआ है एंड हाउ मेनी थिंग्स गेट इम्पैक्टेड, दैट इज हाउ द टेक्नोलॉजी हैज बीन इवॉल्व्ड।
So there are multiple stories for the war room. Like many a times we do during the war room, during the pressure situation or we sometimes act or do things which does not make sense sometimes. But
कोई एग्जांपल?
and I cannot remember, but that might not be related to that issue in fact. And
हाँ,
later on you realize यार मैंने क्या बोल दिया था वहाँ पे यार वॉर रूम के अंदर की
राइट,
ये भी चेक कर लेते हैं. जब जब
राइट,
जब इशू है ही तो हाउ वुड आई चेक दैट थिंग.
होता है कभी कभी, मतलब जैसे जनरल परसेप्शन होता है ना कि कोई चीज़ नहीं चल रही तो सिस्टम रीस्टार्ट करके देखा कि नहीं ना। नॉर्मल सिनेरियो में ये चीज़ बोलो तो एक्सेप्टेबल है, बट इफ इट्स अ मेजर इंसिडेंट
बट
एंड
उस केस में हमें ये ऐसा नहीं है कि रीस्टार्ट नहीं करते सर्विसेज को, बट वी हैव टू हैव सम फैक्ट्स टू सपोर्ट आवर वर्डिक्ट. लाइक
राइट,
बिना फैक्ट्स के आप नहीं कर
राइट, राइट,
सकते
तो
क्योंकि
वही कह रहा हूँ ना, मतलब कि मान लो किसी ने पहले ही बता दिया कि मैंने ये स्टेप्स कर लिए, रीस्टार्ट वगैरह चेक कर लिया, उसके बाद भी कोई सामने से पूछ रहा है रीस्टार्ट करके देखा था कि नहीं, दैट बिकम्स अ
कुछ
लाफिंग मोमेंट।
इंसिडेंट्स सेल्फ गोल भी होते हैं.
हाँ
अब अगर कोई डेटाबेस पे क्वेरी चला रहा है बैठ के और उसने ड्रॉप कमांड चलाया और उसने प्रोडक्शन पे चला दिया
बस फिर तो उसका गोल अचीव हो
तो
गया।
ऐसे भी होते हैं केसेस. सो और उस केस के अंदर लाइक अगेन यू कैन नॉट टेल टू द कस्टमर ना कि भाई वी
हाँ,
हैव
मेरे
ड्रॉप द योर
मेरे एक
डेटाबेस नाउ.
इंजीनियर ये काम किया है।
So we just work on the recovery part and try to mug up with a different story, but these things happen.
ओके, एनी गुड इंसिडेंट दैट वुड लाइक टू शेयर, लाइक जिसने जहाँ पे चेंज मैनेजमेंट ने आपका दिन बचा लिया है?
I think very simple, if you are very well aware of the changes that are going into the application, right? I know that this application had a recent change that went in.
राइट,
And what was the change? Like, as a part of that change, what was changing in the application, right?
वो क्लियर
Like,
होना
what
चाहिए।
feature? And if the issue comes, you are able to correlate, okay, this functionality was altered in this change, let's roll it back,
राइट,
right? So, again, like, एक इंसिडेंट एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है एप्लीकेशन सपोर्ट इंजीनियर या उसके पर्सनल के करियर में कि it's a make or break thing also. Like you can come out of shining colors by giving an idea
राइट,
which might have saved the day for multiple users and save the day for the
बिजनेस,
organization.
हाँ,
Then again, like होता है ना
फिर तो प्रमोशन
impression.
पक्की, फिर तो प्रमोशन पक्की है।
That's a different aspect, but yes, it could make your day or break your day. वाली बात है.
करेक्ट,
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि if I've been part of support processes or support teams, it sometimes brings out the best in you because of the challenging situation,
राइट,
time crunch, and you are continuously trying to figure out what else we can apply. Obviously, you are not alone because you are supporting the product, right? You would need, for example, you would need a person from a database team if you want to get something checked from database end.
Right, right.
You would need a person from the network or the securities team to see if the DNS and all those things
They're
are
working
all
or not.
okay. So you need everybody on the call. That's why it's a bridge.
Right.
And some organizations do not invest in support teams. They don't have their support team.
Right.
They have the only the dev team, and people within the dev team, they are on call on rotation basis. Like for 1 week I will support.
Right,
I'll
right, right.
right. So they have those things.
I can
But
recall. I can recall some organizations on that format.
and it's their own wish. If
I mean,
but
that also depends कि organization का size
mostly
कैसा है.
yeah, and then mostly because it's a overhead cost again, like
हाँ.
coming up, right?
Every
So
person जहाँ
mostly the bigger organizations do invest in support teams, especially the product based organizations. But yes, and I think it's a much needed entity now.
Okay. So since you talked about like multiple teams interaction and all, and support team का role आ जाता है to become a bridge between all the teams to and finally get the issue resolved because sure नहीं है ना कि issue exactly application में है या किसी और domain से आ रहा है. So if someone wants to start a career into this domain, let's say someone says कि हाँ मुझे support में ही आगे कुछ बनना है application support में, तो उसको क्या क्या चीज़ें पढ़नी पड़ेंगी?
Nothing different. What they have been doing it,
Okay.
but it could be more on the DevOps side, I would say.
Okay.
Because DevOps is one role that closely resonates, and again they are providing support, so dev operations or to be the part of SRE. From my experience मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि जल्दी ही वो टाइम अब आ जाएगा जहाँ पे बी टेक होना या एम टेक होना या BSc कंप्यूटर साइंस होना एक IT कंपनी में आने के लिए क्राइटेरिया नहीं रहेगा.
Right.
It would be more of based on the skill set rather than having qualification on paper.
Hmm.
I might be doing some other degree, but like along with that, I cleared so many certifications,
That would
right?
be enough.
That might add value rather than having a degree. So, and I think this is one field. I cannot comment on others, but given the challenging environment, I do see like you have to be on your toes. You have to keep on upskilling yourself, right?
And
Gone are those days where you can do that sitting job for your whole career without upgrading
वो
yourself.
तो अब खत्म ही हो गया like
So,
वो
and this is one area where you have to keep on upskilling and
Right.
upskilling.
आई थिंक मतलब शायद हमसे पहले वाली जनरेशन में तक ही वो एरा था कि आपने जिस प्रोफाइल में काम स्टार्ट किया है जॉब यू कैन रिटायर इनटू दैट रोल ओनली जस्ट गेटिंग प्रोमोटेड एंड ऑल एंड यू कैन रिटायर इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू एक्सपैंड द डोमेन्स एंड ऑल. बट हमारी जनरेशन या आने वाली जनरेशन के साथ ये चीज़ चेंज हो चुकी है एंड स्पेशली नाउ दर बीन अ मेजर चेंज कि अब तो हर दूसरे दिन कुछ ना कुछ नया आ रहा है एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट अपडेटेड यू आर आउटडेटेड.
जो careers हैं इस sector में, they never gonna be long lasting. कि कोई कह सके कि I retired, मतलब it would be short careers.
Short careers. On that point, I can say like how much is the impact of AI into this? AI की वजह से क्या change है?
I think it's still into the adoption phase, and I'll repeat those things which is happening like on everywhere. I would say, कि AI will not replace your job. Person who is
Knows
well
AI
versed with AI will
will
replace
replace the
the job. And putting myself into those shoes, I'm still going through that particular process where I'm trying to adopt,
Correct.
going through.
Same.
But I'm still not a perfect. I would
Right.
say where I can.
And there's a reason for that because हमने अब start किया है AI को adapt करना and someone who is a fresh graduate उसने AI starting से ही पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया था तो difference आएगा ही आएगा.
Yeah, there's no comparison. I would say, and we have own advantages because of the experience and all. We can correlate. I think in terms of grasping power, the new generation that is coming up, we are no match to them. So,
So तो आपके इसमें like application support में AI के कुछ tools भी implement होते हैं?
not much, but yeah, they're like probably some agents, some modules which are doing the day-to-day tasks,
Okay.
and they have reduced the number of man hours that were spent earlier, like build and deploy and all those things, CI/CD pipelines. So many tools that have reduced that particular time,
Okay.
right? So that's definitely helped. But I still feel that there's some degree of human intervention that is
हाँ
required if you leave everything on AI.
तो कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ है जहाँ पे दे वर लाइक एआई हैज कॉज्ड अ डिसरप्शन आल्सो, कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
Not disruption, but if I have to talk about very common scenario and not with respect to incident or application support, you would see there's a feature Gemini in Gmail, like
राइट
if you, right, if you, there is an email trail of like 20-25 emails.
राइट राइट
Nobody in the world has the time to go through that email trail if they are added to that email trail just now,
राइट
right?
राइट
So what people do is normally just click on that, summarize the context on the button, and that provides some bullet points. You go through that, but that part doesn't bring in the other aspect, like emotional aspect,
राइट
why it took so long.
करेक्ट
It would just represent in terms of summary, and the conclusion that you would draw from the summary might be different
From
if
the
you would draw it from the
एक्चुअल ट्रेल में
right, because there are other factors also that
हाँ
has delayed the community.
I
So
mean
those things are there. So
yeah, that emotional touch and human
yeah, that
intervention is
is
still
the most
missing.
important thing.
Right. Since you mentioned that, I mean, I can again relate to it. Being from the security background, जनरली क्या होता है ना, किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जब कोई इशू होती है, इट कुड बी एन एप्लीकेशन इशू, इट कुड बी नेटवर्क इशू समथिंग, सो एवरी टीम विल ट्राई टू फर्स्ट वर्क ऑन इट बाय देमसेल्व्स, देन दे ब्रिंग इन सम अदर टीम. सिक्योरिटी टीम जनरली बहुत लेट इन्वॉल्व होती है, एंड बाय द टाइम सिक्योरिटी टीम वुड गेट इन्वॉल्व इन मोस्ट ऑफ द इशूज़, वो इशू ऑलरेडी एस्केलेट हो चुके हैं, एंड नाउ देयर इज अ स्मॉल टाइम फ्रेम टू क्लोज इट. और फिर हमसे एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि हम पूरी ट्रेल मेल भी पढ़ें, सब कुछ समझें, एंड देन वी रिप्लाई अकॉर्डिंगली एंड रिजॉल्व इट वेरी इंस्टेंटली. मैं हमेशा बोलता था, टाइम से ऐड नहीं करोगे मैं इस पर काम ही नहीं करूँगा या मेरा इतना एसएल है, मैं इतने टाइम पे ही रिप्लाई करूँगा, फिर जो करना आपको करते रहो. सो you started with this support role initially, then you finally like moved the ladder. So at what time you moved from that role कि खुद से support देने की जगह आप team lead करने लग गए?
7-8 years ago.
Okay. So now you're handling a team. Now in terms of handling team and all, challenges किस तरह के आते हैं?
There are different every individual is different, right? And probably if you want to be successful, you cannot just simply say or delegate the work, right?
Okay.
You need to set an example, right? I'll try to show you how it is being done. That should be the goal. I think that is when
Okay. Now since we talked about Gen Zs a little earlier, तो Gen Z's टीम में जब आती तो क्या डिफरेंस आता है?
I think with the generation gap, like if I have to talk about, अगर हम अपने और अपने पेरेंट्स में देखें तो एक गैप है, राइट?
वो तो है.
वो था, है, जो भी है, और वो जब पहले कहते थे तो हम लोग नहीं ध्यान देते थे, बट आई थिंक अब इसलिए ध्यान देते हैं
क्योंकि हमें
कि
वो दिख रहा
अब
है
हम में भी गैप आ गया है वो, राइट? और आई थिंक वो गैप कोई वो जान के नहीं करता. So
it's a evolving thing.
वो
But
होगा
just
ही.
like some examples कि हाँ कुछ situations में आपका perspective या आपका approach अलग होता है and Gen Z has a different approach. So an example that you can quote.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है they are more chilled.
हाँ, for
They are more
sure.
chill. And as a human being, I would say it's good.
Actually, because I think most of us who have already spent like 15 years plus into the organizations, अब हमको लगता है कि यार जो Gen Z वाला approach है ना, ये हमें अब adapt करना ही पड़ेगा to make your life more relaxing.
मतलब फ्रॉम दिस पर्सपेक्टिव मैं कह सकता हूँ कि हम जिस फील्ड में हैं, कॉर्पोरेट, नॉट आईटी, कॉर्पोरेट,
Corporate.
ठीक है, इसमें ना हम काम कहीं ना कहीं मनी, वो एक होता है ना रैट रेस,
Right.
मेरा पैकेज इतना होना चाहिए, मेरे दोस्त का इतना हो गया,
गया,
मेरे
इतना हो
कजन
गया,
का इतना
इतना हो
है,
गया.
आपको बस पता है, एक्चुअल में है नहीं है, किसी
हाँ,
को नहीं
वो
पता,
तो किसी को
ठीक
नहीं
है,
पता.
हाँ, ठीक है, और जानना भी क्यों है, ठीक है. तो एक रैट रेस होती है या होती थी ये, कि मेरे को आई हैव टू कम, उस चक्कर में वी वुड स्पेंड, मतलब एक नॉर्म होता था, ये बंदा ऑफिस में इतनी देर लगाएगा तो ही इज गुड.
Right.
बट इफ अगर आजकल के हिसाब से सोचो, जो बंदा कम देर में वही काम कर रहा है वो ज्यादा एफिशिएंट है.
Exactly. Exactly.
ठीक है. सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वन शुड नॉट सैक्रिफाइस देयर हेल्थ with respect to the work. If you are sitting long and not adding that value,
Right.
you are not doing good for your mind also,
Correct.
right? And adding stress, right?
Correct.
So sooner or later, if I think it's better that आप ये चीज realize कर लो कि health ही important है.
Health and family is ultimately the priority.
Health, family, I think health still. लोग कहते हैं कि मतलब I will enjoy when I'll retire, ये वो, बट होता क्या है, जब तक रिटायर होते हो तो नाश्ते से ज्यादा तो गोलियां खानी पड़ती हैं सुबह
Correct.
पूरा
So
दिन
true.
चलने के लिए.
So true.
सो आप अगर हेल्थ ठीक नहीं है ना तो आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. हेल्थ ठीक है ना तो आप गिर के दोबारा खड़े हो जाओगे.
Agreed. And that is where Gen Z has a different perspective, I guess, because they understand the work-life balance much better than
हाँ,
us.
मतलब I think that's fine. If there are two person who is one person who is spending more than 12 hours and more and doing the same amount of work as compared to a person who is doing only six to, like designated 8 to 9 hours of work, I think the other guy is more efficient than.
Right, right.
That's right.
And because मतलब होता क्या है, मतलब I'm not sure whether you have noticed or not, but मैंने तो surely notice किया अपने पे स्पैन में. कई कंपनीज में लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनको उनका काम 4 घंटे वाला ही है, जो काम उनको खत्म करना है आज के लिए वो 4-5 घंटे का ही होगा. They'll take up the work in the morning, then they'll be dragging it, and finally they start working actually in the evening. उसके बाद उस पर काम करके वो लेट नाइट उसको डिलीवर करते हैं, and that try to show that see I was working so late to finish it.
अब ये एक हमारी एक वो है एप्रीहेंशन भी हो सकती है, हमें नहीं पता उसको क्या चैलेंजेस हैं. आई यूजुअली अवॉइड गेटिंग इनटू
Okay.
दीस काइंड ऑफ
Okay.
थॉट्स. लेट्स फोकस ऑन योर ओन वर्क.
Okay.
देयर माइट बी सम पर्सन हु इज डूइंग बेटर देन मी. हो सकता है मैं जिस काम को 4 घंटे कर रहा हूँ वो 3 में कर रहा है. ठीक है, मतलब लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू दैट वन.
ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स कभी खत्म नहीं होती. राइट.
हाँ, मतलब आई डोंट वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दैट. मेरे को करना ही नहीं.
Okay, at some point of time you also like got involved into the management of cloud based.
नॉट डायरेक्टली बट इनडायरेक्टली.
Okay, so cloud and on prem में कितना difference आता है in terms of support activities?
अगर मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं ना तो जब ऑन प्रेम होता था तब भी किसी ने वो वाले हार्डवेयर देखे नहीं होते थे क्योंकि वो डेटा सेंटर में होते थे. ठीक है, राइट. एंड देयर वाज अ सेपरेट टीम दैट वाज वर्किंग इफ वी हैड टू गेट दैट रीबूटेड और
हाँ,
समथिंग
वो
लाइक
फिर
दैट, राइट.
data
अभी भी
center.
वही है, अभी भी वो क्लाउड के सर्विस प्रोवाइडर के पास है.
Right.
राइट. इट्स जस्ट दैट द ओनरशिप ऑफ
Has
दैट
changed.
थिंग
Has
इज
changed.
बीइंग आल्सो ट्रांसफर्ड.
Right.
Right. So the organization can focus more on the core business that they are doing rather than employing a separate team to take care of those
The data
devices
center.
and all those things.
I actually like that statement. ना तब देखा था ना अब देखा है, but
But I
still.
had the privilege of visiting the data center. If you just see the data center, there would be like one or two guards,
हाँ,
a very big hall,
right. बहुत सारे उसमें
बहुत सारे वो बड़े
racks
बड़े
लगे हैं, racks
फ्रेम्स
हैं.
के अंदर
हाँ,
आपके स्विचेस और सब
right, right.
हैं. And there are ACs running just to keep the environment cool because of the heat that is coming out. And we had to walk, although the cables were very neatly
But
tied
फिर
in,
भी
they were not on the floor, nothing. But still, we had to watch out our step just in case if some, and everything was running. So that was the data center of the organization, right? And again, as I mentioned, normally not everyone gets to
हाँ,
see the data
exactly.
center.
Not
So
everyone.
from that perspective, कि जब हम support करते हैं, देखा तो तब भी नहीं होता. But अगर
I can say कि from my experience I can surely say for any support team or any IT tech team, IT guy, एक बार data center जरूर visit करो, because that actually gives you the back end idea कि पीछे क्या चल रहा है. Till the time you have not visited the data center ना आप कई चीजें correlate नहीं कर पाते हो. Luckily we had that privilege.
I think from cost perspective, I can correlate at least.
Hmm.
There's a lot of cost that is
Cost of-
going on which is not being noticed.
Correct.
Let's say the rent of that particular place where the data center is there. ACs are running 24/7. The
24/7.
cooling systems are there. Right. There are persons who are employed over there who are just sitting and monitoring as guards. That who is allowed to check in and all that. Probably some regular maintenance at the hardware level would
हाँ,
also
वो
be
regular
happening.
visits होते रहते हैं.
So that is some additional cost on the organization. So that is one aspect that I feel.
Okay. Now, since you talked about the cost factor and all, from the support perspective, from your angle or your experience, how can business transform the support function from being a cost center to value driven? क्या करना चाहिए कंपनी को? अभी कई जगह कंपनी को लगता है कि सपोर्ट फंक्शन इज जस्ट अ कॉस्ट, ओवरहेड कॉस्ट एंड ऑल. दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि इसकी वजह से ही वैल्यू आ रही है. तो व्हाट अप्रोच और माइंडसेट शिफ्ट इज नीडेड?
अभी तक जो हमने डिस्कस किया उसमें हमने सिर्फ इश्यूज का ही डिस्कशन किया, राइट. बट सपोर्ट टीम एक ऐसी टीम होती है जिसको प्रोडक्शन एक्सेस होता है,
राइट.
बिकॉज दे आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द कस्टमर, दे हैव टू सपोर्ट टू द कस्टमर. अब उनको प्रोडक्शन पे डेटाबेस एक्सेस भी होता है, रीड ओनली. अब जब कंपनी को ईयरली स्टैट्स अपने दिखाने होते हैं, क्या सेल्स हुई, क्या प्रोडक्ट की क्या बाइफर्केशन है, किसने क्या मार्केट में कंट्रीब्यूट किया, वो तो प्रोडक्शन डेटाबेस में ही होगा सब कुछ.
राइट.
तो वो कौन देता है?
सपोर्ट टीम.
तो सपोर्ट टीम देती है. वो इशू नहीं है, वो वैल्यू ऐड कर रहे हैं, राइट. सिंस हमने पॉइंट अभी डिस्कस किया था कि कुछ इशूज है वो आते ही प्रोडक्शन पे है, उससे
हाँ।
पहले सब सही चलता है, पर प्रोडक्शन पे तो क्यों, क्योंकि जो प्रोडक्शन पे जो सिनेरियो रेप्लिकेट होता है ना, वो रेप्लिकेट करना लोअर रीजन पे बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, बिकॉज अगेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेव द कॉस्ट बाय एम्प्लॉइंग अ लो लेवल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर लोअर रीजन्स लाइक ट्रेनिंग। ऑब्वियसली अगर एक सर्वर के लिए मैं 32 GB रैम 32 GB रैम लगा रहा हूँ प्रोडक्शन में, मैं ट्रेनिंग पे जिस पे टेस्टिंग करनी है उसमें मैं 8 GB में काम चल रहा हूँ, राइट। तो थोड़ा सा वो लोग एग्जैक्ट रेप्लिका नहीं होता। देयर आर सम सिमुलेटर्स रनिंग बिकॉज कुछ एक्शंस ऐसे होते हैं जो कस्टमर को करने होते हैं अपने एंड से, राइट। सो देयर इज अ सिमुलेटर दैट इज रनिंग ऑन द लोअर रीजन, like an OTP that is needed for a transaction। मैं अपने टेस्टिंग में OTP हर बार नया फोन नंबर कहाँ से लाऊं, तो सिमुलेशन होती है जो वो स्टेप को पास कर देती है। तो जितनी भी अदर टीम्स हैं, डेवलपमेंट, QA, they also depend upon production team or the application support team to give them the actual stats। For example, they would come up with a date. On this date, we saw that the CPU was 90% because of the large volume of transaction. So can you give us the data of hourly transactions that happened on that day? Like in इस एक घंटे में कितनी हुई? So these types of stats help the engineering teams. When I'm saying engineering teams, the development,
the other teams
scale up the infrastructure. कि they calculate like what kind of, whether we need multi-threading, whether we need this much level of CPU and all that. So those decisions, the volume decides, right? So support team normally gives those data.
Now, since you talked about like getting reports from let's say XYZ date and all, manually इस activity को करने में एक specific time लगता होगा. Do you see the AI getting into the picture and helping reduce that time?
Yeah, definitely, but I think like, that needs to be coupled with the database only, right? But right now, like if I have to talk about myself, we are doing it. So I think one aspect of support is that like throughout my career, person gets quite extensive knowledge on writing queries and getting into those things because they come up with any request for any kind of stats, and at the end of the day these particular stats are, and in fact if I have to talk about one particular scenario, a company's performance is also being judged by sales, right? Even that data is also in the database.
And also whenever there's an incident, the support team is helping manage it. So depending on how quickly the issue was resolved or how quickly the incident was resolved, the customer experience also changes accordingly. Okay, it might go up or down, and that again also impacts the organization like value and everything. तो उसके लिए भी तो सपोर्ट टीम का रोल है बहुत बड़ा.
But you only said ना, सपोर्ट टीम का पता ही तब चलता है जब इशू आ जाता है.
Exactly.
जब सब सही चल रहा है तो.
Right. But it's up to the organization how they look at it.
Yeah,
that
so
mindset shift is needed.
What I see that support teams are at the center, where the dev people are also reaching out, the QA or the testing team is also reaching out, and because of this extensive linkages, I think support team gain quite a lot of functional knowledge along with the technical, which are they supposed to.
Correct.
So they are at the center, and many a times the operation teams also reach out to them. Okay, can you help me with this thing? If you are aware.
फॉर लिसनर्स आई मीन जो ये सोचते हैं कि सपोर्ट टीम में या सपोर्ट रोल में ज़्यादा फ्यूचर नहीं है, ऑल एक्चुअली दिस इज़ वेयर द फ्यूचर कम्स इन, बिकॉज बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ द सपोर्ट टीम आपको इतनी सारी बाकी फंक्शंस की नॉलेज हो जाती है दैट अल्टीमेटली इफ यू मूविंग अप द लैडर तो आप सारे बिजनेस फंक्शंस की नॉलेज लेके ग्रो कर रहे हो, एंड देन यू कैन बी अ बेटर लीडर इन टर्म्स ऑफ अदर टीम्स.
Yes, the only downside of support that I see, जो कि मेरे साथ है, since you are supporting a customer facing production, right, you are engaged and you are working in shifts, right. For example, let's say you are part of not a non support team, you are being assigned a task. I think this scenario you shared, that you know that you can finish that task in 3 hours, but you are taking your own sweet time, showing it that I am putting in effort. 2 days of effort is required, and actually you have done the task, but still you can justify that 2 days were met and you enjoyed, right. But in support, the timings are very important. Like if I am in 9 to 6 shift, right? The issue can come at 5:59 also.
Right.
And just in case,
It's
if it
before.
came and I'm working on that, my shift might get extended,
Correct.
right? And the weekend thing,
Hmm.
probably the on-call thing. So that is one thing,
I mean
which
that obviously is a downside, but then again it's up to the organization how they handle it. I mean, if a
most of the
person,
organizations, like, they pay you for that.
yeah, I mean if they're
In terms of
compensating it
allowances,
accordingly, then maybe the downside gets
like,
managed.
again, now the question comes in the Gen Z factor. I've seen people, they are not even ready. It's my weekend, I'll not pick up the call,
Right.
and it's their choice. So
So ऐसे में आप लोग कैसे handle करते हो Gen Zs को? I mean this is a common issue for most of the organizations.
like, I think especially at the time of hiring, we try to make sure that the job description is very clear.
Okay.
And if I have to talk about myself, if I am there in the interview, I normally ask the candidate and share the details that this and this are the requirements or the expectation.
Okay.
If you are okay, we can go ahead with the discussion.
Otherwise,
Else, if you're not okay, probably we should not even initiate the discussion.
correct. I mean why waste
Right?
time?
Rather than
Yeah.
going through the whole process and in the end coming up, no, I won't do the night shift or something like that. So just share those things. And I think we should share such things
I mean
before.
being transparent during the interview process actually helps both the organization and the candidate.
So even if the job description has those details, I try to make sure that verbally also I explain them
It's clear to
that
them.
if you are thinking that you might get away from that with any excuse, no, there's no get away. There can be relaxation of a month or two based on
The
subject case,
subject cases.
right? But not a permanent. So
Okay. Okay. So much of serious talks. एक छोटा सा fun segment है. Okay. I'll just ask you quick questions and quick answers. I'll read out a statement and you tell me like कि ये real incident है या maybe just an excuse being given by the teams. Let's say someone says it worked on my machine. So it's an excuse or a real incident.
real incident,
Okay. The issue disappeared after restart.
a real incident.
Okay. If the team says user clicked too fast.
Probably user guidance, client guidance.
Okay. Let's say कि मैं आपको एक टिकट का डिस्क्रिप्शन दे रहा हूँ. Okay. So you will have to tell me whether it's a system bug or a user error. Okay. So ticket says the internet is broken और साथ में एक attachment है जिसमें एक screenshot है which is showing that the Wi-Fi is off. Okay. So it's a user error or a system bug.
I think these types of situation do come, okay, and they are quite common,
Right.
right? The very first scenario that you mentioned was it worked on my machine. Now it is like, again, from a support perspective, we would think it that way. It might be an issue not with the whole system but with one of the clusters, right? Because of the distributed systems, right? So this is a very common scenario where a particular feature is working on one system, not working on other. If you, so it might be possible because of the load balancer, someone from IT would correlate, is transferring the load to the correct node which is working fine, but it's not working the other one. So that is a fair scenario.
Correct.
It's not that, and it could be possible. So again, if these types of scenario help you narrow down the situation, the first
It's up
part.
to how you understand the issue and then resolve it. Let's say the ticket says I clicked save and the screen turned white and deleted my data. Okay, again, is it a system bug or a user error?
It's most probably a user error, but I think again over here, going by the descriptions, if you want to troubleshoot, do not always correlate what the customer is, because
Correct.
put yourself into the customer's shoes, right? Customer will never tell you the whole story. They will only tell you the problem.
Correct.
Now it's up to you to translate how that problem happened, right? So the best way is to probe the customer, ask questions.
Ask questions.
Out of those questions, you will get those answers.
Correct.
Probably the best way that I found very lucrative was just ask for the screen recording of that.
Okay.
You just try to do that again and make sure you have the recording on
And then share that recording.
share that recording.
Okay. वहाँ पे ये फायदा होता है कि अगर कभी कभी कस्टमर बहाना बना रहा है या फालतू के एक्सक्यूज दे रहा है, so they understand कि अब मैं पकड़ा जाऊंगा and they They never come back also in some cases.
It happens, but we cannot be sure. And this is where like professionalism lies. We should not lose our temperament because sometimes issues happen.
Okay. What if the ticket says कि the system is very slow, but साथ में एक स्टेट स्क्रीनशॉट है जिसमें दिख रहा है कि उसके क्रोम में 150 टैब्स खुले हुए हैं. एरर है या मतलब यूजर की गलती है या सिस्टम बग है?
Again, I said, in order to pacify them, I am not expecting the customer to run a speed test also, right? It could be so they are like, if I have to talk about ourselves, we normally do some kind of basic troubleshooting if we are going to report an issue, right?
Okay. Okay.
Right, but you cannot expect that thing from every user. The basic troubleshooting that we do, like if I or you would land into some issue, I'm sure knowing you that level of troubleshooting you would do
Right.
कि यार स्पीड तो ठीक है इंटरनेट की, एक बार रीस्टार्ट करके देख लेता हूँ
हाँ.
और कोई वेबसाइट सही चल रही है या स्लोनेस सब में ही है या सिर्फ इसी में है
Right.
या हाउ द इंटरनेट इज बिहेविंग. So that will narrow down the issue, but not everybody will
Not
do
everyone
that.
will do that.
So again, they're very gray areas.
Okay, I mean that brings us to the end of the rapid fire, the fun segment. Back to serious stuffs again before we wrap up for the day. If someone wants to enter into the support role, so what is one major skill that they need to be a support engineer?
I think they should have that knack of picking up the issues,
Okay.
right? Rather than, for example, like picking up the issues, they need to think differently also. For example, जैसे अभी हम बात कर रहे थे कि कोई वेबसाइट स्लो चल रही है कुछ है, या मैं और भी सिंपल इशू पे आ जाता हूँ. बैक टू द डेज जब हमने नए नए न्यू लैपटॉप्स खरीदे थे या डेस्कटॉप लिए थे, अगर वो नहीं चलता था तो क्या हम सीधा पेचकस लेके खोल देते थे उसे?
नहीं.
नहीं, राइट. हर चीज का सोल्यूशन, कभी कभी क्या होता है, प्रॉब्लम जो आती है ना, हम उसका सोचने जाते हैं कि इसका सोल्यूशन टेढ़ा ही होगा. कभी कभी सोल्यूशन बहुत छोटा होता है, राइट. सो वी जस्ट नीड टू फिगर इट आउट, राइट. आई थिंक धीरे धीरे लेवल बढ़ता है. सो आई थिंक knack of picking up the issues
Okay.
and understanding the system. I think that's it.
I think on that note, I can say for the listeners also, like especially if you are a fresher, then before entering into this role, these are few questions we should be asking yourself. If you like enjoy solving the puzzles or debugging the issues, then this role is for you. If you are good at staying calm when there is a panic situation, then again this role is for you. If you enjoy working with the technology and parallelly enjoy talking to people, then also this role is for you. But if none of these three questions has an answer as yes for you, then maybe application support is not a role for you. You should be looking for some other roles then. On that note, I'll think we can wrap up for today. Especially the support people, this is for you. Like your work does matter. When the systems are working fine, everything is smooth, that is where your importance is. Okay, it is because you are doing your job perfectly that the things are working fine. So do understand that your role and your work does matter as much as any other role. For the freshers, don't think that support is just about like creating tickets and all. It's much more than that. It's actually the intersection between all the business functions where you are actually interacting with each of the department and then trying to figure out what exactly is the issue, where exactly is the issue, and then helping it resolve and giving a good experience to the end user and the end customer. So if this episode clarified what exactly the application support team does, then please do share it with your friends also who would be looking for that kind of clarity and help spread the word. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next episode because अगले एपिसोड में हम फिर से एक नया करियर एक्सप्लोर करेंगे with our new guest. Till then, stay safe, stay secure. Thank you.